Let's get your attention on the big story of the day, 5 days after the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor in a government-run hospital in Kolkata. The case has now been handed over to the CBI. Despite the parents of the victim, political leaders and even some at the very same hospital alleging that there could be more than one accused involved in the case, there's only one arrest in the case so far. The prime accused, Sanjay Roy. A team of CBI has arrived at the RG Kar hospital after it was handed over the Kolkata probe. It's currently in the hospital. The CBI has the custody of the accused. The Kolkata police had the custody of the accused till the 23rd of August. Once his custody will get over, the CBI will produce him in court in Kolkata. Sources say that the CBI will go through statements of the witnesses recorded by the Kolkata police. Special crime unit will then establish the sequence of events. Remember, the CBI has taken over the case after the High Court's scathing observations on the lapses by the police. While the victim's body was found with several injury marks, the police ordered inquest proceedings. The first call to the police was made last Friday at 10 a.m. Amid the criticism over the lapses, there's also another shocker that has come to light from the hospital. The hospital has demolished the walls of the adjacent room. Let's go across to my colleague Pooja, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details of the investigations that are currently underway. Pooja, this CBI, the central agency, has taken over the probe at a time when there was a lot of criticism over the probe being ordered by the Kolkata police. In fact, the court had also made some scathing observations. The CBI team has now reached the hospital. Take us through what's happening on the spot. What's the latest?
Well, absolutely. What we know is that yesterday the Calcutta High Court had handed over the case from Kolkata Police to CBI. And this morning, a team from Delhi of CBI officials have reached, in fact, Kolkata. Earlier in the day, they had visited the CBI office. And now, in fact, they are visiting the place of occurrence, the place where the doctor was raped and murdered. I'll show you the visuals at this point in time. This is the very building that houses the seminar hall on the 4th floor. And all the officials who have arrived now at the emergency building have gone to the 4th floor, which houses the seminar hall where the lady doctor was found raped and murdered. So a team of forensic experts and also team of medical experts are accompanying the CBI team. They are going to collect the samples from the seminar hall. We've seen forensic, CFSL members accompanying the CBI officials, and then those samples will be sent for forensic tests. But at this point in time, a team of CBI officials have in fact reached the crime scene, the RG Kar hospital, and are now currently in the seminar hall where the doctor was raped and brutally murdered.
Okay, all right. In fact, Tapas is also joining us. Remember, protests have also been taking place. The BJP has also been staging a protest. The doctors have also been protesting, demanding speedy justice and trial in the case. Tapas, the BJP leaders continue to protest. The CBI has now taken over the case, but the BJP has also claimed there's a political link. They've also been alleging that the Kolkata police was initially trying to hush up the case and cover up the case.
Well, see, the entire incident have already taken a political color. It's a brickbatting going on between the left Congress, BJP on one hand, and Trinamool Congress on the other hand. BJP have already tried to establish a link between the ruling party and the culprits who were involved in this gruesome murder. And now you can see that the BJP have even come on street and they are protesting, and it's a protest rally which has started from College Street area in Kolkata, and now this rally is heading towards RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, where the CBI have just reached. The CFSL team has already reached, and this rally would conclude outside RG Kar Hospital. Now, a little while back, I was speaking to Justice Abhijit Ganguly, and he clearly said that the governor must take note of the situation in Bengal, and if required, 356 should be proclaimed here in West Bengal. You can see the Mahila wing of the BJP is leading this protest at this moment. If I can go across and speak to some of them. ये बताइए कि आप लोगों की मांग क्या है आरजी कर के इंसिडेंट को लेकर?
जो यहाँ का असली दोषी है, असली खूनी है, उसको हमारा कठोर शास्ति चाहिए, उसका फांसी चाहिए। और जो लोग उसके लिए, जो सरकार आड़ाल करना चाहते हैं, उसका भी शास्ति होना चाहिए इस बारे में, क्योंकि वो असली हत्यारा को आड़ाल कर रहा है, इसीलिए उसका भी शास्ति होना चाहिए। जो लोग मिलके ये सबूत मिटाना चाहता है।
Well, that's the demand. What the protesting doctors are also making, that arresting one person, Sanjay Rai, is not enough, and the gruesomeness and the brutality of the crime reflects that more than one individual was involved in the matter, and all those culprits involved in this rape and murder should be brought to justice without any delay. So we have seen that CBI have already taken over the case and they have initiated investigation. Now it remains to be seen what transpires at the end of the day. But as of now, Archie Court incident have already taken a political turn, brick batting going on between the ruling party and the opposition party on the other hand. Back to you.
Even members of the party have taken to the streets demanding a speedy trial in the case and also safety for the doctors. But remember, not just politics, but the doctors have also been protesting, demanding justice. But the case has now been handed over to the CBI, but this is after the High Court pulled up the Kolkata police, asking why did the police file a case of unnatural death despite the brutality of the crime. It also highlighted serious lapses, that the principal's statement was not recorded. It observed that after a lapse of 5 days, there still seems to be no progress in the investigation. Meanwhile, another insider, the man who was once the former deputy superintendent of the RG Kar Medical College, says that the principal, who has now been sent on long leave, actually could have been the mastermind behind the entire case.
वो बहुत ही करप्टेड आदमी है, मतलब एक माफिया राजा बोल सकते हैं। मैंने अपनी पूरे कैरियर में इतना गंदा इंसान नहीं देखा। इन्फ्लुएंशियल पावरफुल है, क्योंकि मैंने उनके अगेंस्ट में कंप्लेन किया था। मैं 2023 साल जुलाई में मैंने कंप्लेन किया था। विजिलेंस कमीशन, एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो, शास्त्री भवन हेडक्वार्टर में भी उनका ट्रांसफर भी हुआ था, लेकिन वो ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर फिर कुछ ही दिनों में रिवॉक हो गया। उनको फिर प्रिंसिपल पोस्ट पे ही दे दिया गया। तो वो सब एक मास्टरमाइंड उनका प्लान है, ये भी उनका एक प्लान था, ये आई वश और कुछ नहीं। और फिर जो है 8 घंटे के अंदर उनको नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज का प्रिंसिपल पोस्ट दिया गया।
In fact, the BJP also staged a protest outside the State Assembly demanding action and alleging cover-up by the police.
सीबीआई को शिकंजा कसना चाहिए और संदीप घोष, डॉक्टर एसपी दास, विनीत गोयल को अंडर कस्टडी करना चाहिए। ये तीनों को पहले कस्टडी कीजिए। क्यों डीएमई सुशांत रॉय, डॉक्टर अभिक दे किस लिए 9 तारीख वहां गया था? आरजी कर में सुशांत राय, डायरेक्टर ऑफ मेडिकल एजुकेशन, एंड डॉक्टर अभिक दे, वो दोनों किस काम के लिए उस दिन सुबह गया था? एविडेंस डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए। सीबीआई कोर्ट मॉनिटरिंग है, सीबीआई को तुरंत कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, नहीं तो जरूरत होगा तो सबके खिलाफ आवाज बंगाल की जनता उठाएगा। वी वांट रेजिग्नेशन of the chief minister.
But